Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to perform reverse coding in SPSS using a simple Likert-scale questionnaire. Reverse coding is essential when a questionnaire contains negatively worded statements. SPSS will create a new reverse coded variable while keeping your original data safe. Finally, always verify the new values before starting reliability and other kind of statistical analysis. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more easy SPSS tutorials. Okay, first we learn what is reverse coding. Okay, so we have one example here. For example, a positive statement may be the system is easy to use, but a negative statement may be the system is difficult to use. Although both statements mirror the same concept, their scoring directions are opposite. If we ignore this difference, our reliability and other statistical results may become misleading. So, other thing, if we do the reverse coding in SPSS, the original response from negative value was 1, but I will convert into 5. If the original response was 2, I will convert into 4. So this is called reverse coding. So for example, if we have 4 respondents, the original score from negative statement was 1, but we convert into 5 and as well. Okay, let us do in practically in SPSS. Okay, I have a survey questionnaire with 11 questions items. Okay, so first of all, this is data view and this is variable view. You can see here the survey questions are valued from 5 Likert scale 1 to 5. So we need to reverse coded the survey questions. So in this way we will go to transform and click on recode into different variables. We put question 1 here and we rename this question as question 1 R. R mean reverse coding. Question 1 R. We will click on change. It is done. We do the same with question 2. Question 2 R. Question 2 R. We do the same with question 3. We do the same with question 4. Okay, enough. So we have put 4 survey questions and we will do reverse coding. Okay, so we have done first step, then we will go for second step. Click on old and new values. Okay, just remember my PowerPoint presentation example like this one. You can see here, first there was 1 from the negative statement, so we will convert into 5. Okay, see here, it means the value, the old value was 1 and we will convert into 5. This is called reverse coding. Done. Then 2 old value will convert into 4. 3 will remain 3 because it was neutral. 4 will be converted into 2 and then 5 will become 1. So we have successfully reverse coded all 5 survey questions into other values. Click on continue. then click on OK, and you can see the results here. Okay, good. You can see here there are 4 reverse coded survey questions. We need to remove the decimal numbers. Okay, click on save button to save the data. Okay, done. So we have successfully reverse coded the survey questions. You can see here. So it shows that, you can see here, question 1 there was 4 from negative statement, but we converted into 2. There was 1 for question 2 from negative statement, and we converted into 5. So in this way we can do the remaining survey questions, and it depends on multiple Likert scales. Some scholars use 5-point Likert scale, some scholars use 7-point Likert scales, some scholars use 10-point Likert scale. So it doesn't matter. So we can simply do reverse coding in SPSS in this way.